All right, we just got done pouring our second application of this 2-part epoxy in our river table. This table's 4 feet by 8 feet, or just shy. As you can see, we didn't get it leveled quite properly, so we had a little bit of run out. So hopefully I'll be able to take the router and router this whole table flat when we're done. But I think it turned out fairly well. This is our first table. Got nice coloration in our river. But unfortunately, it came out on the sides. For this table, I'm using 2 thick single pour epoxy. It's by Wisebond, part A, part B. Comes in 1.5 gallons from Amazon, not too much. And then for the color, I'm using 2 tablespoons of pearlescent mica powder, sapphire blue. Opened yet. Here's that sapphire blue, 100 grams. It's 8 ounces. In jar, we got a little bit left. This has done 5 of these 1.5 gallons. So, turns out pretty cool. I really like the color. Alright, this is how we put the swirls in. We just take a big shish kebab stick and we just make some swirls. Once it dries, you can mess it up pretty easily, so you gotta get it before it dries.